Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala Bunny, and this is an unboxing of Athletic Greens welcome kit. I paid $79. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, first we have the actual powder, AG1. I think it's called Athletic Greens. I think that's what the AG stands for. I couldn't tell you. Anyway, the canister to put the powder in. The scoop's not in there, it's probably in another. I think there's a scooper. We'll see. Oh, there is. Oh, and it's metal. It's heavy. A nice scooper to go into the canister. There's something else in a canister. They say put it in the refrigerator. Because it has probiotics. Unfortunately, it's really hot today and it's been outside, so hopefully it'll be alright. So the scoop. Obviously, I'm going to rinse it probably before, but you don't want moisture. You don't want too much moisture in there, so you want to dry it completely. I thought this was going to be glass. It's not. It's plastic. But the lid is metal. It's actually a nice lid. Feels heavy. I like things with a little heft to them. So here's the canister, kind of like a to-go bottle. And then in addition, we have travel packs. I think there's 5 in here. And the reason why I kind of went for this is because it came with this, which is like vitamin D3 and K2. And I know I've been low on vitamin D before, especially during like the time when we all stayed at home a lot. I didn't get out as much, and I became like vitamin D deficient. Now I try to get more sunshine. As you can see, I'm actually backyard camping because there's no air conditioning in my house and there's a heat wave. So that's it. Came in this big box, and it came with some information. So this is what you would have to read to learn everything about it. But essentially, it's just a greens powder. So the idea is that I hope it improves my health and well-being and energy levels. And let's just say hi to my doggy. He's right here. Oh, hi, Pecho. Oh, he's struggling very much in the heat. So that was my welcome kit. This is gonna go in the canister, and these are the travel packets. I'll open these up so you can see. 5 individual stick packs. There's some tape right here. Let's see. It says these are vegan, and you should take one every day on an empty stomach. And it says it doesn't require refrigeration, so I think that this only requires refrigeration after you open it. But yeah, I've heard about this company for a while, and I thought it was just trendy and overpriced. But the welcome kit, I just really wanted to be 100% honest. I really wanted the bottle and the canister. And I am going to cancel it because I can't afford it. So $79, I paid $80. So if you want to break it down, it's kind of like 20, 20, 20, 20. So I'd say that was an okay purchase. Even if I get results, I probably just can't afford to continue it. I always say in these videos that I'll report back and let you know how it goes, but I can't promise that. I don't know how long. I don't know when I'll do an update for this video, because I would say it probably takes at least 30 days to know if something's working or not. It could take 2 to 3 months, and I'm not sure how long this will last. Like, so 5 of these would be 5 days worth. They look like this package, but then how many servings are in here? It says 30, so I'm guessing that's like 1 month worth. So I kind of have 35 days worth. So yeah, if I get a chance, I will come back and let you know how it goes. I'm also not sure if I'm gonna take it every single day, or if I'm gonna miss some days, or if I want to stretch it out, maybe do like half a scoop and kind of so I can have it for longer. We'll see. So let's see if it's worth all the hype. I'm back. So I opened up this vitamin D3 K2. It says take 1 to 4 drops daily, or as recommended by your healthcare professional. So I was thinking I'm gonna do it under the tongue. It's called like sublingual. It doesn't say to do that, but I was just gonna do that. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Doesn't taste bad. It's actually, it tastes oily. It's mixed with MCT oil and a preservative. So, I mean, it has a taste, but I don't know what I would mix it in. I don't think mixing it in juice would be any better than just taking it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get the vitamin D up. Hey, Benny head. I know I look kind of pale and blue in here, but it's actually the reflection of the tent. So I'm not actually this bluish. But I did decide to open one of these, and like it smells pretty good. I don't have water. I have this juice. But I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with juice. It says water. I'm not sure if the juice affects it or not. Should be fine. But starting tomorrow, I'll probably use water. I just want to get these nutrients in me as soon as possible, because I haven't been able to afford a lot of good healthy food and greens and produce and salads and stuff. So now look, it definitely turned the color, turned that green quick. All right, I said it smells fine. Like I think it says pineapple vanilla. Oh, it's got that nasty taste. Yeah, it tastes healthy and nasty. So I'll see how it tastes with I was really hoping it was gonna taste good. That's even with orange juice trying to overpower the flavor. So with water, it might be terrible, or it might be better. Sometimes flavors compete. Oh, that's nasty. And I like green juice, but I don't think it's all in it. This is nasty. It tastes terrible. Y'all, it tastes terrible. Do you people drink this? You like it? I'll give it one more chance with water. So far, not so good. Yeah, I'm probably have to run in the house just so I can compare, so that I don't leave y'all hanging. I'm gonna go do that. All right, fam, I'm back. And I went inside and I mixed 1 stick with cold water, shook it up. I'm ready to try it. Nasty. I like eating healthy. I'm telling you, I do drink green juice and powders and all sorts of things. Oh, it's disgusting. So they did not have my money. And think about all the all the influencers. Oh my goodness. It's actually objectively bad. I don't care how healthy it is. I'd rather get my nutrients from real food than that. I mean, it's saying it has a lot of vitamins. Ugh. Broccoli, papaya, beetroot, wheatgrass, which I don't like. Alfalfa, barley, carrot. This is making me feel sick. Mushroom, hawthorn berry, bilberry fruit, milk thistle. That's supposed to be really good for you. Apple, pea protein isolate, spirulina, inulin, which is chicory root powder. Ginger root. I didn't taste the ginger. More ginger root would be better, actually. Cocoa bean, licorice root, artichoke. I actually feel sick already. It does have matcha and ashwagandha, dandelion. This stuff is nasty. And I know there's people out there who don't like try green stuff at all. Oh my god, I don't even know how I'm gonna finish it. I don't know if it's just today. I don't know if something's off, or if because I took that tincture. I don't know if that's it. But this would be a chore to drink. So for that reason alone, I'm not gonna get it again. Wow. I eat vegetables. I like broccoli, artichokes, arugula. I eat vegetables. I love them. I drink green juice. This is nasty stuff. This is diabolical. I didn't expect this review to go this way. I wanted to like it. Nasty work. Just disgusting. Holy crap. Nauseous. I'm nauseous. I feel like I want to throw up. It's revolting. My face says it all. So I could be all cute. Like, drink your athletic greens every day. AG1. Yeah. No. There's better stuff out there. Just go to Whole Foods. Experiment. Figure it out. I've never felt like it's so disgusting. What is wrong with this? $80 for some crap tasting powder, a plastic water bottle, and a nice canister that I will use for probably the rest of my life. I'll use it for something else. Maybe the vitamin D3 will be worth it. AG1, green crap. Ooh, not how I expected this to go. Okay, so that is my raw, unfiltered, honest opinion that this green powder tastes like manure. All right, bye.